Hey guys, it's Ivy and welcome to the coupon camp. We are going in Walgreens to see if they got some clearances, but we also want to go and see what we can grab for our midday couponing week. So come on guys, let's go ahead and look around with me. One box of Honey Nut Cheerios, they are $1.99, and then I'm gonna get one of these Reese's Ambush, and they're $1.99. Now, if you look at it, you see where I scanned, it was $1.99, and there's the deal. You get $1 off too, and you scan it back to our bowl, and you get another $1, making those 99 cents each guy. So that's a good deal. Don't forget to pick that up. Okay, I'm gonna grab the cheeses. They are buy one for $3.99, get one free. So that you pay $1.49 each one. So I'm gonna get 2 boxes of these. Let me see. Do they have anything? Oh, maybe my kids will like these. The hot and spicy one. So I'm gonna grab 2 boxes of these right here. Okay. So remember, we always don't have to get cleaning supplies, guys. We can get stuff, food, things that we want. Okay, the L'Oreal Vitamin, $6.99 on here, $6.79. It's actually buy one and that $6.99 get one 40% off, but that's not it. Okay, so if you look at it, it's $5 off. When I scanned it, that's the $5 coupon come off for the one at $6.79. So buy one and pay $1.79 for it. I'll be giving that to my mom because she uses L'Oreal. I don't. Okay, so $4.5, this is what you should have in your car. This was on sale, was $2.99. The Ninjas was $1.99. These was buy one, get one free. These are $1.99 each to General Cereal. And then you get $1 off coupon from Walgreens, and then $1 coupon from iBody. These were $1.99 or $1.50. That was a can. And this, if you buy one at $6.79, you get a coupon for $5 off, making them $1.79. So let's go pay for our clearance. And then I got my tissue. Buy one, $5, you get $1 off coupon from Red Nose, and you get $1.25 manufacturer. So let's go. Okay guys, so everything that I bought came off. Everything. That's the good thing about a digital coupon. You can see if it's going to attach or scan it and see how much it's going to cost. Altogether it came to $20.69. I have register rewards, and I'm not going to use them on here. So I would like to use my register rewards when it's time. But look at that. I saved, advertised $23 in savings. Walgreens, $11. Store coupons, $1.25. Manufacturer coupons, $2. So yes, I did save a lot. And let me show you, I got one Revitalift, but I have another receipt because I have 2 numbers. Now if we look at the Revitalift, that was the personal clipper I wanted, but the Revitalift was $6.99. It $5 off, subtotal was $4.98. I had enough where I could pay a couple of dollars out of pocket, but I wanted my $7 so I could use it on Sunday for my Walgreens haul. So guys, stay tuned on Friday for a Walgreens must-do deal. I'm back. It's Ivy, guys. Bye.